Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
That money clip us now, the new now looks like. Whoa, upgrade her diamonds, now her girlfriends are like.
All right. Hey, how's it going? This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got another one from Acecook and from Zenpop. You go to zenpop.jp. Use the coupon code Ramen Raider and get yourself a nice tidy little discount. How's that sound? So today, fished this out of my hamper. Let's see. I kind of had to do a little search to figure out what it was. This is Acecook Fujicco Pure Tororo Konbu Soba. I don't know. I'm gonna say Konbu Soba. I don't know. I'll let you know. Yeah? I'll let you know of the flavor. There's the cup. I'm gonna drop in the block. A bunch of little bits, and I'm guessing that might be Konbu. Little bits. There you go. I've got a powder sachet and a liquid sachet. So going with the standard way that Japanese instant noodles go, I'm gonna look and see what this is. This feels kind of solid. Now yesterday I did, no it wasn't yesterday, it was Monday. It's Wednesday now. Okay, this looks like it might be tofu. But it's in there now. And this will sit on top and get kind of warmed up. So let's add in our boiling water. I'm gonna see if I spill any on the stove. I'm really trying not to. I didn't spill any. 3 minutes. There we go. So how goes it? Pretty, not too bad over here, really. Yeah, gosh, been really busy. I've been. There's this Fitbit group called 2020 in 2020, and the goal is to do 2,020 miles in the year 2020. That's really not that hard. What's hard is to sit at the number one spot in that group. I took Sunday off, which I'm still kicking myself for, but hey, Saturday night we stayed up late, had some pizza. What did I have? We had pizza, and I had some Belgian blonde ale that was really good. And I just was not feeling it in the morning. Plus on Saturday I walked 22 miles, so. So Sunday I got like a mile in. I just did not go for it. Well, that 2020 and 2020 thing gauges you by the last 7 days of walking. So that kind of put a crimp in that. I'm at third place now out of 206 people. But I'm not too far from first and second, and I think what happened is the other people in that group did the same thing. think other people decided to take a day off on the same day I did, which that works. But this morning I went out walking and got like 8.5 miles in, so that's worthy. And then I'll do a couple hours this afternoon inside, and then I'm gonna do. My wife and I go for a walk. And that'll be good for another like 4 miles, I think. 3 miles, 3.5 miles. So what I've been doing is ended up with about 33 to 36,000 steps a day, which is pretty decent. So hopefully I chug into the lead. But there's this guy named Mahinder, and he like, God, he'll do like 40,000 steps every day for a week. It's like, I can't compete with that. My feet hurt it bad enough already doing 15 miles a day, man. So, but yeah, like the last 15 days, only one day I didn't, but I've done at least 15 miles a day. So I'm stoked on that. I enjoy that thoroughly. And that warmed up right through that. Whoa. Here's the kind of look like little worms now. I don't know. I will let you know. I don't think this is Konbu. This, I'm guessing, is tofu. Oh. Okay. Oh. Foul. Huh. Wow. Ha ha ha. Oh my God. And that's some soy sauce. I'm gonna say right now, this might very well be the most foul instant noodle I've ever had, at least outside of the United States. There have been a few that have been made in the US that have just been absolutely wretched, but man, I got some good stuff all ready to go for this, but I'm not using it in this. No way. 0 stars. That is absolutely raunchy. Ugh. Do I even want to use this? I don't want to use this bowl. I like this bowl. Well, I already got it, so. Yeah, I guess I can add some. Yeah, I was really hoping that I'd like this. But I don't. That's just unnecessary. Ugh. What a letdown. Well, I got this spring onion. I gotta do something with it. There. I've got that stuff, but I'm not even... No. No, no. No. Shame on you, Japan. Why would you do something like this to me? I want to talk to the... See, now this is the thing. They make this... They don't make these products just like, let's throw it at the wall, see if it sticks. No, they make these products. They know that there's people who love... are going to be like, oh my God, I've been waiting for this for so long. Yeah. So, here we go. stuff. Wow. Wow. Bottom 10. Let's see. Alright, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Hey, go ahead and visit www.theramenraider.com. It's a wonderful place to go. Show your kids, show your family, show your dog. And then don't forget to go over to Google Play and get the Android app. Use the keywords The Ramen Raider, search for it, you'll find it, you'll be glad you did. And also don't forget to go over to the Ramen Raider, or shop.theramenraider.com. Pick yourself up some noodles today for tonight. Well, maybe a tonight down the road. They don't show up overnight. I don't know if you can get them to show up overnight. Maybe you can. I don't know. Yeah, so. Anyways, yeah, this has been Oz the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your instant noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye.